welcome to our YouTube channel. It's another weekend for our weekly analysis where we talk about what I expect of the market the previous week and what actually comes to fruition. Today's date is 21st of September 2025, and the analysis for today will be what I'll be using, and I'll be viewing the market from 22nd to 26th of September 2025. So let's see what we expect of the market the previous week and what actually comes to fruition. We start with our bellwether, which is the dollar index. As of last week, I was interested in dollar index visiting 97.50 to 97 big figure, 97.50 or 97.500. Sorry, 97.500 was taken. We have 97.500 taken. We have 97 big figure taken, and the market tips its finger down into 96.532. If you've been on this channel for a while, you would have seen 96.532 has been on the radar for a long time. Now the level has been taken. Where are we heading to? The lowest annual fruit coming for the coming week is 98 big figure and 98.500 on dollar index. As long as the market price stays above 97 big figure, so 97 big figure is my support level. That will take us into 98 big figure and 98.500. That is that on dollar index. Let's go to our USD, GBP USD, which is our cable. In cable last week, I was interested in the level 1.36 thousand. The market price trading into 1.36 thousand. We've seen the level 1.36 thousand being taken, and we've seen 1.37 thousand also being taken. It was a very long journey. So the market price has taken 1.36 thousand. We've seen 1.36 thousand. 1.36 thousand has been taken, and the market price has went as far as 1.37 thousand 267. So 1.36 thousand has been taken, 1.37 thousand has been taken, and from there the market price has dropped. So the coming week I'll be watching how the market price will react. How the market price will react to 1.355 big figure, 1.355 big figure, this level here. How the market price will react to this. A close proximity to the consequent encouragement of this blue shaded area. So if this blue shaded area happens to be a resistance, if it happens to be a resistance to the price, then we should be able to see 1.34 thousand, 1.34 big figure. If it happens to be a what? A resistance to the price, we should be able to see what? 1.34 big figure. So the range for next week will be this yellow shaded area and this blue shaded area. So I'll be watching the consequent encroachment of the blue shaded area, which is equivalent to 1.35500. The consequent encroachment of the blue shaded area. If it happens to be a resistance, then we should see 1.34. But if the market trades above it, then we'll be seeing 1.36 thousand again. That if the market price stays above, that's above the blue shaded area, then we should be able to see 1.36 again for the second time. Now, so our fiber, which is the Euro USD. Euro USD last week, I was interested in the level 1.17910 being traded into as the low hanging fruits. As the low hanging fruit. I talked about the double top here, that those levels are too clean, and we've seen the market pass through it, and the market went as far as 1.19,187. So now that the market price has done that, now that the market price has done that, the coming week, what do I expect? I'll be expecting um the market price to stay above, to stay, if the market price can stay below 1.18500. So 1.18500, that will take us back into 1.17 thousand. 1.17 thousand is the lowest hanging fruit. Then we should see if it can drop into 1.16500. So 1.18500 should be a resistance, should serve as a resistance that will take us down into 1.1700, now 17,000 to 1.16500. So now that we're watching, we check if that is doable. Okay, the market price should stay below 1.18 thousand or thereabout, and deliver 1.17 thousand and 1.16500 the coming week. So let's go to S&P 500. S&P 500 last week, I was interested in the level 6,650, yeah, being the lowest hanging fruit. The lowest hanging fruit. So the level 16,006, the level 6,650 has been taken beautifully. Yeah, 6,650 is the level here, has been taken. We've seen 6,600, we've seen 6,650 being taken. Then we should be expecting, as long as the market price stays above the consequent encroachment of this long week here, that will be around 6.5 or there about 6. Let me just pick the consequent encroachment of this. Let me check. The consequent encroachment of that long week. The week of this candle here. Can I get it? 50%. Around 6,577 or thereabouts. So as long as the market price stays above 6,577, being a support level I will be watching, then we should be able to see the market price gravitating into 6,700. Yes, 6,700 will be what I'll be watching the coming week. Lowest angle fruit, you can get 6,750 as well. 6,700 and 6,750. So on that future, which is US 30, as of last week, I was interested in the level, I think 46,500. Yes, 46,500. So just short of some movement, and that still remains on my radar. Yeah. So we, as long as we have the market price trading above 46,000, so 46,000 will be my support level that will take us into 46,500. 46,500. You can see 46,800 as well on the longer term. So let's go to Nasdaq or US Tech or US 100. We've been on 24,500 for a while, and 24,500 has been taken now. Is that a coincidence? No, it can never be. 24,500 was tagged. So the coming week, as long as the market price stays above 2,400 and 24,000, sorry. So 24,000 will be my support level, while I'll be watching the market price. Can it deliver 25,000? So then let's go to gold. Gold last week I was interested in the level 3,700. Yes, 3,700. 3,700 has been tagged, but the market dropped from there. Does that mean we are changing? Personally, I'm not going bearish anytime soon on gold. So as long as the market price stays above 3,600, 3,600, 3,600 is my support level. As long as the market price stays be above 3,600, I'm still bullish. Only if the market price drops above and drops below 3,600, then I'll be changing my GI. But as of now, I'm still bullish. So 3,700 has been taken. I'm watching 3,750 as the lowest hanging fruit. 3,750 and 3,800. 3,800, yes. So to the last but not the least, which is what? The BTC. BTC. The narrative has been clear on what on BTC. As long as the market price stays above 115,000, then I'll be watching the market price gravitating into 18,000. 18,000 was short of some movement here. The eye of that candle comes in at the candle with my cursor. the eye of that candle comes in as 117,980. That is very, very, very close to 18,000. So, as long as the market price stays above 1,000 and 115,000, as long as it stays above 115,000, I would still be interested in the level 118,000. And if the market price drops below 115,000, then I'll be interested in a market price delivering 112,000. That means I will be sticking to the previous week's buyers. It's as simple as that. So, as this just I'll be calling it today. Thank you for coming this far with us. Thank you for being part of the family. Really love and appreciate you. A quick disclaimer before I leave. I am never a financial advisor. The fact that I have my money behind it doesn't mean you should do the same thing. Trading the foreign markets, foreign exchange markets come with a lot of risk, and you should know your risk appetite before venturing into the forex markets. Unlike what the social media portrays today, the foreign exchange market is not a get rich quick scheme, but it is a must get rich. If you stick to what you need to know, you will definitely get rich in forex, but you will not get rich overnight. Thank you once again. We meet next week. Trade responsibly. Bye for now.